Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, December 11, 2008. This morning I'd like to show you a little feature that's been added to the browsers in this release of Syncom Smalltalk and will be there going forward. It'll be enhanced to add a few additional things going forward to make life a little simpler, but for the nonce, let's show you what I mean. I've got a class called My Class, and you notice that the way the browser now works, you don't have to select a protocol over here, you can just select a method. And let's say that I want to use this template to type in print on. So I want to put in the standard type of print on method. So I'll put in super print on stream and then stream, next put all foo, which is one of my instance variables, print string. And notice what happened. It immediately jumped it to a protocol called printing. Now the reason I knew to do that is I go to hierarchy and I notice that up in object I've got a category called printing, and in it is a method called print on. So the way things work is that if you create a new method and that method exists in a protocol category in your inheritance chain, it will put it there. Now I can change this after the fact. I can rename this to stuff and it'll go ahead and leave it alone. But by default, it's going to put things where it thinks they belong. The nice thing about this is that it helps enforce standards across your entire development team. People can just write code and the system will put things kind of where it thinks they belong based on past practice, both by Syncom Smalltalk developers here at Syncom and by your own development staff. So it makes life a little easier to deal with in the browser, and the main purpose behind this screencast is to explain to you what's going on, because in past versions of the product it didn't do this, and one of the things you may have noticed when you started using it is that your methods seem to shift around. Well, they're not really shifting around randomly. This is what's happening. So that's about it for today. I just wanted to explain that small feature, and until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.